Sir, nga nung gibutang man ko ni mo diri, sir. Gosh, I'm not prepared. Sir, wait lang. Okay, sige, kaya na ko ni. Imagine na lang ako na mura kong nag-report. Nag-report sa eskwelahan.
Added value ni sa imong kanang she does this pala o di ba? Kanang added ba ganing maposition imong self as expert ba? Lo. And then we'll ask them na kanang mag shot man na mga picture na kanang wide na i-talk tapos na mga bata sa taba, di ba? So we will show some of our works, what we do on the screen para at least you can see as well what we do. But as you can see, my work really is in Dubai. That's why I'm not really sure how the market works here in the Philippines or in Davao. But here's the thing about this, doesn't mean wherever you are, you're in Davao, you're some other places, doesn't mean that if you really think on I can do something that I want to be like a model, I want to be like something that I want to do this because you're really passionate about this thing. Wherever you are, I think it will eventually come up, like it will really happen if you are like doing it, so later on as well show up because the world right now is like become one because of social media. So wherever you are, if you're in Davao, people might see you in Manila, you can get hired, that's first thing. Second is like you're under an agency because usually what we do, photographers, clients, to save time, we directly go to an agency. And then the agency will provide them, the checklist. Okay, this is what we need, this is what we need. The agency itself will do the casting. And then, especially if the project is a bit rush, the casting that we did, if the project's a bit big time, but if the project is like rush, agency will do that casting. Actually, not casting but when you're under agency, Sir Pao already know what you are, what you can do. All right? So now, we'll show our work and then I'll share some behind the scene so that you can you can visualize how does the field works, how the photo shoot works, this and that. Yeah? So let's turn off the lights, sir.
Okay po, Nick. For branding.
For this one.
I am the social media manager and at the same time, the administrative assistant of Sir Cromwell. As a model, you really have to connect with people. It really helps you to get noticed, to get the exposure.
First is, she mentioned, storytelling. What is like the values of the model na posted on, and also behind the scene, especially if you have worked with previous brand. That's my biggest factor to consider, to be honest. Especially you guys are starting, pero in the industry, when I look models Instagram, I immediately look if naaba siya yung mga previous work. Not necessarily output the photo, but behind the scene. It means, she's already on the field. She has experience. But for you guys, starting, you do it on step 1 by posting content that matters, content that tells story. In that way, you can deliver a value. And then that value creates a trust between me and then you as a model. Yeah, because actually by next month, September, we have a project. We have to actually we're going to finalize models na because so there's a new hotel in Dubai opening. We have to find certain looks for model. First things first, I asked her, that's her job, actually another job, mag-look for models because as I said, busy naman ko sa shoot, no? I asked her, okay, look for models, this, that. Instagram, first, kasi personal, it's too personal for me. Ganahan ko mga mailhan ng model on a personal level. Next is website sa mga agency, modeling agency, website, set card, katong medium shot, close up, ug wide, kana lang siya sa mga agency. Ana gyud siya. So first Instagram, website sa mga agency. Sometimes yan na. Yeah. So better inyong Instagram na ano may set card. If you really want to push this, Instagram ninyo na may set card. Dito naka-pin, 'di ba? Ma-pin man na siya. You pin it, na dito inyong details, inyong close up, medium shot. Ano.
Also, one thing, you can also organize your IG highlights. So you can categorize them by, let's say, behind the scenes, about you as a person, or anything like by categories. You can use the IG highlights, not just the pin post.
Yeah, as you can see here, we really maximizing social media because that's where I started eh. Even as a photographer lang ko ha, that's where I started. I post my work. I post my behind the scene. People notice, people on Reels, she mentioned, I post behind the scene, client will message me because I like your work and then yeah, let's do this. Wala na if I like. If you're looking for a red flag, na ano na siya, during the shoot na siya or let's say initial call, because before we, I check the Instagram, Ash will check the Instagram, will ask for the number, I'll call, and then ako manggod sa kadaghan everyday I meet a lot of people, I can easily say na attitude ni siya, character ni siya, ana. So mo na siya, but in Instagram, in social media, you post highlights eh. You post best of your self. Diba? So that's why I talk to the model on the personal level, this and that. Sometimes that's actually transactional na pagay ko. Here's another thing. Pag dili ko ganahan sa model, but it's just that the client loves that model, wala, transactional lang ko. Ano siya? But I don't want.
On my end talaga is red flag is wrong. Kasi sometimes you discover models on the day. Maganda established na. So broad talaga siya. Ang iba naman, na-define siya because of background mo, o religious background mo, diba? Iba kasi ang terms ng red flag. Maybe sa kanya, di red flag, sa kanya red flag. So very important.
Bottom line, just be good. I believe, just be good. And then, eventually, opportunities will come to you. Just be good. Just be good. Do think that, you're good at this. And that's it. Opportunities will come. Yeah. What else?
From the ladies,
Yeah, from this. I need a voice from this. Go.
For these girls, not a question, but more like for a share lang.
Go ahead.
May marketing graduates, so I but more apply to myself on personal branding. I don't post in a rush moment. I also create. I also have an action of Baba. And then, if my Instagram is naturally more like colorful, summer kind of vibe, that's why if I have a photo na not so pasok sa bios, I put it behind and put something that's more suited for that vibe. And siguro sir, sa consistent, tama na maging consistent, but there are some times na you should have parang pause for your posting. Because we have this kind of public where you post everything, post, and then when people do like see your post, they just scroll away because always nakakita nila sa ilang feed. Especially pag it's not that very highlighted. So you have to be very picky when it comes to post.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's why nag-stop ko post. Pag bakasyon bago na ako, bakasyon ako, nagland ko sa Butuan, diretso ko sa Surigao, and adventure, everyday post, And then when I stop for a week, and then nag-post lang ko og isa ka reels, taas ang reach, daghang shares, daghang og views. Yeah.
It's really, nag-post pa din siya.
Go ahead. Okay, these are perspectives sa adults ha. For kids, two things. It's either inyong parents ang mag-handle sa inyong social media, which is na ako yung mga model nga gi-work on, nga ang parents actually ang ga-handle. Parents na ang akong kaistorya, parents na ang gaano. And another thing is like, Remember ni mo tong bata na dapat buhatan na tong account? Tong F1? Na mo nag-approach sa mga client. Di siya model ha. Ano siya? Racer siya. And then ang parents nag-approach siya mua na we want a package, social media management, content creation. So I do the content, she does the ano. Nga na siya. But kapuyan mong ko atoy mo tong gimahala na magmayo para di sila makuha. Anyway, any questions from this likod? You look like you have a question. Go ahead. Anyway, add us on social media, no? Add on our Facebook. Send me a message. Anything question you have, replyan ako na siya pag dili busy, no? Yeah, can we show the social media na to? Para mag-ano na ta, mag-end na ta. Did you learn something?
Okay. It's like
Evaluation.
social media audit.
Evaluation. Ikaw na siya.
So we can connect. Okay, I can connect with you guys.
I'll send this to the guys.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
Show our ano.
So make a thread of your IGs. Then sa GC natin na send to our even much more than
So this is my Instagram. So you see, I still follow. So pwede paki-off sa ano. Last na lang sir, hapit na. Sorry. This is really important. Paki-off sa ano. Sa lights. Yan. So you see, I still follow personal branding as a photographer. I post my content. I post, can you play this Contact Me? Yeah, I post reel like this. Yan, mga work na ko. Yan, you see it before, diba? Mga perfume, yan, you see this earlier. You saw this earlier. Mga sports, yeah. Okay, enough na. Okay, cut. Yeah. So you see, and then, I still follow branding kung unsa. And later, diba, I saw them, I am directing, holding a camera. So that if the client check my Instagram, still, I'm showing my work, how I direct, how I, interact. Apil pag ikaw sayaw sa ano gani. Wapil pa ko ganang sayaw, ganang wapil pa ko dula, tanaw ra gud. Kala sila mga Israel, hindi mga Palestinian na sila kanang ba tapos you see mga sports, wapil pa ko dula sa client, I interact, I talk. Okay. Scroll down na go a bit. So this one. And I'll also share my journey. For example, this one. Play. This one. Kinang gi-edit ni mo, Johan? Yeah, this one with audio. I share my journey with audio. Post ra god. If you don't love talking in front of camera, if you don't love that, overlay text is your friend eh. Play ra god. Overlay text. I just overlay text. I share my life. This is how I do other than photography. Okay, pause. And you know what? Because of pause, Ragod. I'll show you something. Because of this video, a client saw this video. Now I close a deal na may shoot karong next week. It's an ad campaign. Mag-shoot mig ad campaign. Because the client saw this video, I like this video. Can you do something like this sa ako ang brand? Restaurant man to ang client. So that na may model actually ato. So sayang wala naman na But anyway, because of this video, client reached out and then can you do something like this? Na kani imong gibuhat exactly like this. See, that's like the power of, social media by posting. Okay, that's it. Time na. Okay, 55. Any questions pa? Before we end. Okay, add me on. Same thing, Same, my name, Cromwell, and then on Facebook, these people, add, message them. Okay. Tawaga Sir Pao ka. Okay. Did you learn something? What part ang pinakaganahan ninyo sa atong workshop? So we're done. How would you feel?
Good. All good na kayo man na naman.
You have the full recording. Makita niyo yung mga ano dito, mga nagpiyok ka. Nagpiyok. Nagpiyok siya. Ano yun? Guys, pack up. So we're done here and then we're gonna pack up and then see you later. Alligator. Up siya ba?
Kaya pa imagine.
Tara kayo, magidumtan na sa kumanghod ang cake ba?
Hindi na dyan ako na sa iyo. Wala tanan.
Thank you.
Go. Wait lang, sir, ha?
Yeah, let's think of
Ay, dito po ba sa may... Dito sa Rojas? Kanang wapag doon siya
Ay, oo.
Lami magkinamot ka na. Sudaan nga na dyan, sir.
Nadira.
Kanang, sudaan dyan ako sa kanan ba ka ng inasal. Hindi na yan. Okay lang siya mamakta?
Oh, okay ra, oy.
Kahit tagdesikan.
Okay ra, oy.
Man.
So,
Si Ma'am Ash, ano?
uy. Ano pag dinambak, dira ba? Dira ko bi. Ayaw ba ya? Abot nagdago.
Ano maglabi ko istorya ba?
Eh, balik ka dito, Ben.
Balag diri ako. Ngaong pa na po.
Ano mo din ako? Ano nyo rin?
Kayo.
Kung kayo.
Ah, sino nga na dito?
Ay pantugra.
Balik ko lang.
Punto
Pwede
na.
na rin.
Ah, dire.
Nanawara lang kita coastal road.
Di ka tingala basta kung kayo di uro mga gaon na. Mga ginagawa na istorya. Ang bright boy ka na dati. Kaya mo kayo di uro. Layo na kayo mga sipat sa pang lungsod eh.
Ayo, gabi.
So, ang lugar na to.
Gabi niya, gabi.
Still lagi.
Ah, sa sentro dyan.
Oh, sentro yun. Kana mga ban lugar kana nakapuyal mo ka ng mga digos o ban lugar po mga layo na kayo sa mga
Magagwapohon mo dali ito po.
sa mga taga mong kayo eh. Natanan siya mga
Ano to guide? Wala. Ikay ta.
Ano lang ko?
yung kaubon yun.
Tulo lang.
Wala na siya guguling-guling. Okay, salamat. Upper lang, upper.